Petrol 93 octane will decrease by 2 rand 1 cent a litre. 95 octane will decrease by 196 cents per litre. Diesel will decrease by 313.8 and 358.8 cents per litre. That's over 3 rand per litre decrease. Paraffin at wholesale level will decrease by 5 rand 23 cents a litre. At retail level, paraffin will decrease by 6 rand 97 cents per litre. Maximum retail price of LP gas will increase by 16 cents per kilogram countrywide and by 19 cents per kilogram in Saldanha in the Western Cape. The reasons for these adjustments are the lower oil prices on average during the period under review and the stronger rand against the US dollar during the same period. The slate levy decreased by 43.8 cents per litre in the price structures of petrol and diesel. The new slate levy will be 113.94 cents per litre in both the price structures of petrol and diesel. In line with the announcement by the Minister of Finance, the short-term fuel levy relief has been phased out, effective from Wednesday, the 1st of July 2026.